Hey everybody, Jack Setwood here, and today I'm pranking my sister with the car alarm challenge, which basically I have an app on my phone that gives me all these different things. There we go, and in the middle right there is the car alarm. It's backwards, but that's what I'm pranking my sister with, and then this Bluetooth speaker. I'm gonna tell her that you just push the car and see if you can get it to go off. So I'm gonna test this out a second. Make sure it works. Tripod's messed up. That's what it does. And if I can get 5 likes, that's all I need, just 5 likes. I will prank anybody you want to, just leave it in the comment sections. I have 2 brothers, a sister, my mom, my dad, and my stepsister and my mom's boyfriend. So I will prank any of them. Just leave it in the comment section. All I need is 5 likes. The car alarm challenge, which basically just try and keep pushing the car right here and see if you can get the alarm to go off. So just keep on pushing it. 2 hands. You got it to go off.
I knew it. Is there a phone in there?
No, you got the car. You did the car alarm challenge. Here,
No.
let me go on the front seat and hit the brake. Okay, you did the car alarm challenge.
I did a car alarm challenge.
Hey guys, I just pranked my sister. The car alarm, it was with the speaker, which I have in my pocket that I'll show you, and an app on my phone. And I pranked my brother, and this time I pranked my sister, but it kind of cost me because now I have to do the bathrooms, both of them, the upstairs one, the downstairs one. I'm just happy I don't have one in here anymore. Tore that out about 7 years ago. So I got to prank my sister, but it kind of cost me a chore. But I was gonna do a bathroom anyways. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Who would you like me to prank next? And I will prank that person if I can get 5 likes. That's it, just 5 likes, and I'll prank that person.